Hi, this is John with Go Mobile. Hey, we're going to be replacing a water pump today on a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel and a 3500 Ram dually. This is a very unique little pickup here. This is something I found quite interesting, is the cowhide inside. Look at the embroidery stitch. That is quite fancy. Sunroof, the whole works. It is such a beautiful pickup. It's got some little minor dinks on it, but for the 3500, if you're not going to be using it, what's the point of owning it? And there we are. There's the engine. Right there, that's where all the power is built. Right down inside there, I don't know if you guys can see it. Right about there is a water pump. So we're going to have to take some things apart and then get to that water pump and get it out. We are I don't know if you can see it now. Right down there. There's the water pump. It's got 2 10mm screws now that hold it in for bolts. And we'll go ahead. This is John. I just wanted to show you kind of what was needed for the job. Obviously you got to have a good cup of coffee, some breaker bars, 3/8 ratchet, sockets up to 14mm, some pullers, a wire brush. I like to put a little RTV on the O-ring to help keep it in place, some Allens. And the reason you want these Allens for on these Cummins, that is a vent, and you will not get all the air out of the system if you don't open that up. It's at the highest point of the engine, and it's very, very important that you, when you do these jobs, that you get as much of the air out of the system as possible, because it'll cavitate. And then you gotta just do like what we're doing here, is we're running it, getting it up to temperature. We're gonna check for any leaks, check for any other problems with it. Because like I said, he is going on a long trip with this truck tomorrow, and we want to make sure that it is in good running condition before he leaves.